This Monday, the 16th of February, we're going to be starting a new live series. And I love new live series because it is an occasion to dig deeper into different principles that we go over and things which are essential for the painting. So now, this 16th of February, I want to start back to the basics, the fundamentals, the non-negotiable fundamentals of painting that we absolutely definitely need to ensure that we're getting good paintings done. And so this is going to be covering 7 weeks, one aspect of painting per week, one fundamental per week, whether that be tonal values, color, composition, structure, brushwork, all of the things that we need to make sure that our paintings are not just copies of subjects and not just copies of photos, but we're actually painting paintings. So this 16th of February, I want to go from the beginning. I want to start at the beginning, which means I want to focus on the concept of a painting rather than just finding a subject and painting the subject with the same method, the same style, the same paper, the same colors, the same brushwork to create the same sort of painting after painting after painting. To get a good painting, you have to plan for it. You have to create a concept. It doesn't happen on its own. It doesn't happen accidentally. And when you want to create a painting, you actually can every single time, rather than seeing that huge pile of paintings that just didn't work pile up in your studio and just hoping that you're going to get a good result this time. It doesn't work and it creates a lot of frustration. So this Monday, the 16th of February, I want to walk you through the steps to ensure that you are able to know where to start, because a painting starts with the concept. It doesn't start with the brushwork. It doesn't start with the composition. It starts with the idea, what you want to say, how you want to produce and portray a subject, and what it is you're trying to get across. And then you choose your tonal values, your color, your brushwork, your composition to enhance that one idea, to get that one idea across in your painting. And you know what? When it does, you get a really strong painting. So that's what I want to do this Monday, the 16th of February. And if you want to join me and paint along with me, feel free. And that way you'll get a critique of your painting that you've done during the live. And if you can't join us on Monday, then just inscribe and you will get the link to the recording so that you can watch the session as often as you like. One thing which is essential is that we all want to create great paintings, and they don't happen on their own. They don't just happen by chance, or at least they don't happen by chance very often. So put the cards on your side, create paintings in a way that you know they're going to work. And that actually also helps you progress with your painting so that you're not just going through that cycle of painting after painting in the same old way, getting the same old results and wondering why you're not progressing. All right, I see you this Monday. Take care.